morning breeze calls out my name. Every sunrise lights my flame. Where rivers sing and forests sway, I found the heart of every day. Nature is the rhythm of my soul, the silent voice that makes me whole. It fills my lungs with living air, wraps every moment with its care. The emerald hills, the endless skies, paint hope within my dreaming eyes. Each leaf that dances in the light turns ordinary into bright. When the world grows loud and restless, I hear the whisper of the trees. Every heartbeat finds its answer in the language of the breeze. I've built my home in nature's arms, where every dawn reveals its charms. The flowers bloom, the rivers flow, teaching my heart all it should know. Here I find my truest smile. Every step is worth the while. Peace is growing wild and free. Nature is the home in me. The mountains stand like faithful friends, their timeless strength that never ends. The golden fields provide my bread, the stars watch softly where I tread. The rain composes gentle songs, reminding me where I belong. Each season writes a brand new page, a living poem beyond all ages. I don't see castles made of stone, or treasures I could call my own. A patch of earth and open sky is all I need to learn to fly. The wind becomes my sweetest guide, with every dream held close inside. Life is richest, pure and true, when nature walks beside me too. I've built my home in nature's grace, the truest shelter, a warm embrace, where every breath is filled with light, and every star adorns the night. This is where my spirit sings, where every hopeful heartbeat springs. Life is peaceful, bright and free. Nature is eternity. As long as rivers kiss the shore, I'll love this earth forevermore. For every joy my heart has known has blossomed where nature has grown.